Hey you guys, so I just got done ordering our monthly grocery haul. I don't even want to talk about it, but it's for the entire month, and then I save like about $200-ish for like odds and ends that we need throughout the month if like we run out of milk, eggs, whatever. So right now we're gonna clean out the entire fridge. I already went ahead and got rid of all of the leftovers, so now it's just pulling out all of the bins and scrubbing everything down. So basically we're gonna start from the top and work our way down.
Try to use tape.
Go ahead and take these. Right now. Looking at.
Yeah, but I know for Paul.
Yep, I don't know. All right, y'all. I shell. What? Back in.
So you use.
That's what he does when he just lets it happen. You gotta eat.